Hello, people. So these days I try to keep thinking like, probably with regard to my whole YouTube career, I have to yeah, really. No, like I was analyzing the videos that do well and those that don't, and I realized the ones that do well is just plain and simple. The videos that I've shot outside, like of restaurants and all, those do well. But I just have to say this. Look at this, yeah. It's my curtains, new curtains from Amazon. Because last time when I wrote a post on new curtains from Amazon, that see, I can't record it like this, it's too bright. That surprisingly did well. So what I've come to understand is we live in a very materialistic world. Yeah, I mean everything to do with beauty, makeup, how to look good, places to go, those videos do well rather than any deep introspective, and even book reviews also don't do as well. But really, so that's what this is. Not even, yeah, just a 1 minute video, but truly people, this is amazing quality of the thing, and you can get it for just like 600 bucks, yeah, on Amazon. So, and curtains, they kind of give such a facelift to the room. So it's already a 1 minute video, and I'll catch you all in my next video sometime tomorrow maybe, or so on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.